This isn't just a car, it's a rolling statement of pure 1970s American luxury with a numbers-matching 500 V8 that glides like no other. If you've ever dreamed of driving history, this Cadillac Eldorado Convertible is calling your name. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel where we celebrate the finest, most luxurious classics that have ever graced the streets of America. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary, a car that defines automotive opulence in the purest sense. Feast your eyes on this 1973 Cadillac Eldorado Convertible, and when I say feast your eyes, I mean it. This isn't just a car, it's an experience, a statement, and a rolling piece of history, all wrapped into one magnificent package. From the moment you see it, this Eldorado grabs your attention. Its factory-correct red exterior, highlighted with delicate white pinstriping, isn't just a color choice, it's a declaration. This is a Cadillac designed to be noticed, to turn heads, and to make an entrance wherever it glides. And glide it does. With 62,583 actual miles on the clock, this beauty hasn't just been preserved, it has been cherished. And it shows. Under the hood, we find the heart of true American luxury, the numbers-matching 500 cubic inch V8 engine. This is not just any V8, this is Cadillac's powerhouse, delivering effortless torque that makes even city driving feel like a parade down Park Avenue. Paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission, it offers the smoothest ride imaginable. Imagine cruising down an open highway, the wind brushing past, the top down, and the world noticing. That's what this Eldorado delivers. Every press of the accelerator is a reminder that you're in a car that was built not for speed, but for luxurious, unhurried power. Step inside and you're greeted by immaculate red leather seats, rich and supple, preserved to near perfect condition. Every stitch speaks to Cadillac's attention to detail. The factory faux wood trim glows under the sunlight, contrasting beautifully with the chrome accents that frame the dash and doors. This is luxury that you can feel with every touch, every glance, every moment behind the wheel. And don't forget the original R12 Frigidaire air conditioning, keeping the cabin ice cold on a summer day, just as it did when it rolled off the showroom floor over 50 years ago. But let's talk about presence. This is a convertible that commands attention. The power top raises and lowers with a touch of elegance, transforming the car from stately coupe to open-air icon in mere seconds. And when that top comes down, it's not just a car, it's a stage. A parade boot is included to maintain that flawless aesthetic, ensuring that whether parked or cruising, the lines remain perfect. 15-inch Cadillac hubcaps on 2020 whitewall tires complete the look, grounding this classic in a timeless stance that is unmistakably Cadillac. Driving this Eldorado is an event in itself. Power steering and power disc brakes make maneuvering effortless, while the V8's torque ensures that every push on the pedal translates into smooth, commanding acceleration. Yet, despite the size, the Eldorado handles like a luxury yacht on wheels, majestic, confident, and poised. This is not just transportation, this is art in motion. Collectors and enthusiasts will appreciate the attention to authenticity. This Eldorado comes with its original owner's manual and even a copy of the original bill of sale, providing irrefutable proof of provenance. These details, often overlooked, are what elevate this car from a mere classic to a collectible treasure. Owning it means having a piece of Cadillac history in your garage, a machine that embodies the pinnacle of 1970s American luxury and automotive design. And let's not forget the lifestyle it represents. Picture yourself rolling down a coastal highway at sunset, the top down, soft breeze in your hair, red leather interior gleaming, chrome accents reflecting the last rays of light. Every eye turns, every camera snaps a picture, and every passerby knows this is the Cadillac experience. It's not about speed, it's about style, presence, and sophistication. At $31,995, this 1973 Cadillac Eldorado Convertible isn't just a car. It's an investment in elegance, a chance to own a piece of history that drives as beautifully as it looks. For those who understand American classics, this is as close to perfection as it gets. A low mileage, numbers matching, fully authentic convertible, ready to cruise or be showcased at the finest car events in the country. So if you've ever dreamed of owning a classic that turns heads, delivers unparalleled luxury, and makes every drive feel cinematic, this Eldorado is calling your name. From its breathtaking red and white exterior to the commanding presence of its 500 V8, every detail screams prestige, every inch tells a story, and every moment behind the wheel is pure, unadulterated luxury. Don't just watch this video. Imagine yourself behind the wheel, feel the supple leather, hear the V8 roar, experience the effortless glide, and embrace the history that only a car like this can offer. Because in the world of American classics, some cars aren't just owned, they're lived in, cherished, and remembered for a lifetime. This is the 1973 Cadillac Eldorado Convertible, a true masterpiece of style, comfort, and American luxury. And trust me, once you see it in person, you'll understand why legends like this never go out of style.